people, welcome back once again to my channel. So if you're new on this channel, welcome. My name is Hitken. I am a makeup artist in real life and also on YouTube. So if you'd like to embark on this journey here on YouTube with me, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share my video with all your family and friends. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, honestly, I didn't know the look I was going for today, so I had to do something. So I did one eye off camera. I'm doing this to show you guys the look I'm going for today. So let's jump right into it. As always, I'll be using my MAC concealer as my eyeshadow base. And for my transition color, I'm going to use this. And to cut my crease, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution. I'll put my lashes on and get right back to you. The concealer that I'll be using is also from L'Oreal.